So now we're going to make this chair fit someone like Lisa, who is 5'2". So we're going to make a couple of adjustments before she gets in it, and these are the kind of things that you can do as you're setting your whole chair up in the first place. So the first thing is we remove the seat cushion, pull it from either corner, pop the seat cushion out. Again, you've got 4 points of contact, and that's what you need to do to line it up when you put it back together. So inside the chair, if you remember, we've got a lever that pulls this mechanism in, and that disengages the back. So now we can move the back in and out. So this is currently set up for somebody who's taller than 5'5". So we're going to use this Allen key. We'll use the short arm first just to loosen these guys up. And then we'll use the long arm on these screws to remove them. Sometimes they're a little bit tricky. So we're going to remove those 2 screws, and then we're going to pull that lever up again at the back on the left side, and you can just use your knee and just push the back all the way in till you see the second set of holes. It's in there a little bit closer. And then we're going to take these same screws, use the long arm to line it up, and make sure you've got it threaded properly. Again, put the Allen wrench back where you know it's going to be. And then we're going to pull that lever up at the back on the left side and slide the back out as far as it can go. Then we're going to take the seat cushion, and don't wrestle with it, just set it into place. And you'll feel when it's lined up. Pop it down in, and we're going to have the seat all the way back, so when Lisa's sitting in the chair, she's not going to worry about the back support to get started. Our main focus is how well she's supported on the sculpted seat surface. So Lisa's going to sit into the seat and shuffle her bottom right to the back. So she should have her backside hanging just slightly over the back of the seat cushion. And then I'm going to get her to bend at her hips, straight forward. So now she has a space back here, and then we're going to pull this lever up and just slide the back in so it's good and snug. And then when she sits back up, that's the position that we want to be in. So once we've got her in this position, we want to try and have her feet level to the floor. So we can set it up, her feet flat on the floor. We want to have the thigh in a downward slope. On this side of the chair, we have the shifter. So right now it's shifted all the way back to the highest resistance. So we can slide that all the way forward, and the seat will move freely in all directions. So now the seat will move as we raise Lisa up by using the lever at the front. Just unweight a little bit. Just raise it up a little bit. So now we can open up the hip angle more. So we have a downward slope of the thighs and feet flat on the floor. And natural position should feel that your pelvis is supported, which promotes more extension in your low back, which allows your upper back to go to better balance with your ears over your shoulders.